Hello lovers and welcome to Info Barça. Today, March 25, we are giving you top 3 Barça news. You just need a minute. While most of the players are with the national teams, today some of the squad train in Joan Gamper Sport Training Center, and with a great surprise, Thomas Vermaelen. This week Luis Enrique will have to prepare special training sessions because many players are with the national teams. The coach received a good piece of news as Thomas Vermaelen could train with the group again after the operation on his leg last December 2nd.
Son más de ida y vuelta, somos un equipo que quizá no controla tanto el partido en el centro del campo. El Madrid hace años que se dedica a esto, ¿no? A buscar las contras también. Entonces se convirtió el partido, sobre todo en la segunda parte, un partido de bastante ida y vuelta, y ahí pues los defensas normalmente o quedas retratado o eres el salvador.
Camp Nou will be the stadium where Barcelona will face the final of Copa del Rey the 30th of May against Atletic de Bilbao. After winning Vilareal, the Spanish Federation has decided that the Catalan stadium is the perfect scenario. That's all for today. Don't forget to keep in touch with Barça's community at wilova.com, as well as you can do it in our Twitter and Facebook account. Follow all Barça players with the national teams at wilova.com.